Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to go straight to this video. Let's keep you updated because Gentle the Yahoo made a video where he talked about the current happening in Imo State and in Osumo, according to the video. The reason why I'm bringing this is not because of what is going on. It's not because of the kind of the work going on in the Igbo land. It's part of it, but the main reason is because of there's something he said that I want to share with us. We need to understand one thing here. I myself, I did not see anybody. I'm not doing what I'm doing, reporting news about what we are facing, just because I want to hate on anybody. And I believe that thousands or millions of us are like that. You are criticizing what is needed to be criticized because you hate evil. You don't like this cabal, this favoritism. You of opinion that what is good, and when you see good thing, you need to embrace it. So what am I trying to say? I've told those time with that number that when you hear that PM calls somebody and call this and call that, PM appeared here, appeared there, and do this and do that, you don't need to bother. You don't need to, try to say, oh, PM is not signing A or signing B. Because anybody can create any AI just to make you feel that PM is with them. The same thing applicable to the same, the issue of a different liberation army. Every of them are dragging, all of them are dragging. Oh, he's with us. Oh, he appeared in our platform. Oh, now just to say something that goes in line with what I've told you. Time with that number. I told you that PM is not that you condemn anyone does not mean that the other person, is wrong. What it means is that this is your own judgment about this particular thing, and you have every right to criticize it, but not like Lazuba do. Okay, please don't bring this to Lazuba's attack on Biafrans, thinking that she's attacking DPM. In fact, we are going to talk about that one later. When we talk about Nkere, for example, it's because of what we have seen and what we know that is true. But what we know may be different from what PM know, and what you may know may be different from what BLA know. So whoever that want to support whoever you want to support is entirely your business. But when you begin to act as if you are the owner of BLA, you are the owner of this, that is where everything, begin to sour. So when BLA said that they're not going to work with the USB government anymore, and Biafran begin to say, okay, the love and acceptance, okay, from Biafrans to them begin to vanish, and they know that they are vanished. So that could be the reason why Gentle said what he said here, and we are going to go through it. What Gentle said, I'm not against anybody. I'm not trying to analyze what Gentle said. I want to just bring it to you, but I have to mention this because many of us that have watched the video, some people don't want to talk about them anymore, and I don't blame you. Some still want to go back to them because of what they're doing and what they represent. Of course, I don't blame you either. Remember, it's your choice. I cannot just put myself in a situation whereby, I will be the dictator to you. No. And I know that I don't think you are going to allow me to do that either. So in the video that he made, let's talk about the video because I don't want to go further talking about this. Let's just focus on what the video is all about. All right, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. The part that he said, where he talked about DPM, he said that we are not against Nkere, neither are we against Ngozi or Orabueze. But at the end of the day, we know who is who. That they wish that anybody that is sabotaging, that is wrong and that should never make it to Igbo land again, Biafra land again. That is a wish. All right, this is his own wish. Now, and I say amen to that. Anybody that is trying to sabotage, not sabotage alone, but working and labeling people, propaganda here and there, that thing that he, because I know some of our people will be like, yeah, our angel said this and it happened. He said he's, but whereas we are the one committing that crime without you knowing. Some of you know that you are committing a crime, but you are pretending. Listen, please, let's go there. I want to let me bring the video so you can hear it for yourself. I don't want to be the one to just announce it. Hear this. Now I'm gonna play it from here.
Authentic and the wonderful good news. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location where you are watching me from. I greet you all lovers of freedom, all over the continent, all supporters of freedom, all supporters of Biafra. I greet you all. I want to bring this wonderful information to all Biafrans to hear about it because it has been my word that we must win this war. But before I proceed, I want to bring to the table of the international world, the international community, the world leaders, please let everyone hear it clearly, in which we know and everyone knows that our offense is just because we are asking for freedom. We are asking for freedom. Please, His Excellency, Donald J. Trump, the Prime Minister of Israel, in the person of Netanyahu, and all the rest of the world leaders, all the rest of the concessions people of the world, do this. We are Biafrans and we are calling on you people for rescue. We are only asking for something very important and something very simple. There are a lot of Igbo Muslims and there are a lot of Igbo Christians and Igbo Jewish in this land, and this has been a very big problem. These are the things that have been causing havoc in Igbo land, in Biafra land today. Please, we are only asking for simple request. Simple quest. What is that we are asking for? Referendum. Let the individuals determine where they are to belong. It's very simple. Do this and give to the people. Biafrans are dying on a daily basis. Biafrans are dying on a daily basis. The mothers are dying. The fathers are dying. The children are dying. Look at what is happening in Enugu. Peter Mba has become a Muslim. Since he become a Muslim, Enugu have turned upside down. Look at how Fulani has been moving around massacring people, killing the husband, and making our women widows. Please, what leaders should give a listening ear to our cry. Now we are on our own. These people brought war to us. And we can't run for the war. We face the war. And then what today we are winning the war. Biafrans, we are winning the war. And I want to appreciate all Biafrans all over the continent and more especially Biafrans in the homeland for keeping the sit-at-home order. For making the world to understand that yes, these people want their freedom. The order was not meant by Nnamdi Kanu, it was not meant by Simon Ekpa. All these two men are innocent. They are only crying for the freedom. They are only speaking for the matter, for the heart of the people. We want our freedom. Let referendum be commenced so that people can easily determine where to belong. Peaceful referendum. Let it commence, please. Though Biafrans a good news, is a good one. We are winning the war. Let this stupid Flefu, Gang and the cash also. Let them come out and explain. We have destroyed the armor tanker. We destroyed the armor tanker today. We conquer them today. Let them come out and explain. If they are doubting it, let them come out and explain. A slave, Igbo, a slave. Stupid ones that are calling themselves Igbos. Stupid ones that their mother got their pregnant through Alhajis, Fulani in North. That have been fighting their own brothers with the Boko Haram swamp ISIS in uniform. They are are not ashamed of themselves. And they are talking rubbish with this idiotic human being that has no son and bastard son of the bitch. That are talking all sorts of rubbish. That I am wanted by the Nigerian government. It is equally that is wanted by the Nigerian government. How can I be wanted by the so-called business center called themselves in Nigeria? Thunder, fire your generation. The thunder will not get thunder, will not get father. Fire your generation here. Come and get me now. Idiotic human being. You know, if you are in the South Africa washing a woman pants, you are not ashamed of yourself. Selling a catch. Move on. Idiotic human being. That has no son name. We have bring the ammo tanker down today now. We just come out and explain to the people. Come out and explain to the people. And they're gonna watch the video for them to confirm that those that do doesn't count. We are the men on ground, we are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist in our homeland. If the world is doubting it, let army get out of our land. They will see that everywhere will be calm. They will see that our people will cooperate. They will see that our people will work freely, doing their daily basics, their daily businesses. Walking around doing their daily businesses. No man worries no man. We can never worry our people in this life. And we are not against our people. We can never be against our people. God forbid bad men. We can never kill our people. How can't we fight them back? Okay, now they have placed 20 million naira points on my head. They will use the money now and channel it to our own people for them to go and look for my location, my this, my that. Then if I find out such a person and I kill such a person, they will be talking rubbish. I'm asking to the people that I'm wicked, I'm killing our people, I'm killing our people. Any man, one of the women that went and collect bribe from Fulani uniform, from all these Fulani jihadists, from all these terrorists in uniform, to come and threaten my life. You are a Fulani, you are a guest, you are a Fulani and you are a threat. Don't fire all of Funadia. Arab Babu Chapulu leader. Now support all this evil going on in our land. I will say no to that. Now look at it. Peter Badini and Bobatara and Fulani. Look at that. Okay, now after whether an edition of mother, after whether an edition of Mother Katana, with them this Lopa, leprosy. From leprosy, at the Tagari from Barrico or Cuba from Wakiba, Humaya, Arab Chakuru, that place, una mission with the Fulani caliphate can never work in Biafra land. We can never accept it. We are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist. Please, the international world, the international community, with all supporters of freedom, all of us of freedom all over the world, support through anybody, anyone you know that can make the message available to the men on ground. Do it. We are not against anybody. Nkere, we are not even against Nkere, we are not even against I don't know Ngozi Orabueze. But we all know everybody. We know who be who. We know who be who. All in a plan can never work. But I strongly believe that anyone that is working with all these plans and they standing to deceive Biafrans, the cause of the land can never allow your foot to step into Biafra land. You will die over there. You will not die over there. And anybody there you go, the men on ground like people, I have to allow I got to allow Roshi. I got to allow Roshi. The entire generation, you eat the money, but you can never enjoy the money. That is all I have to say. Biafrans, we are winning the war. That has been my word, and we are winning the war. We have destroyed the armor tanker today. We have destroyed them. We have displaced them today. Have it the way you had it. We have destroyed them today. That is the good news. It is happening in also life and direct. Ask questions. We will come up and address the people again.
All right, that is from Gentle the Yahoo. All right, and he made this video just to give an update on what is going on. He said you should donate money to this and donate money to that. That anybody that can bring money to them to help them should come up and do that. And he said he's not against Nkere, he's not against Ngozi Orabueze, but they know who is who and all that. Am I supposed to analyze anything here? We need to understand one thing. I am not here to tell you where to donate money, where not to donate money. Your money is your money, right? But you need to understand that Biafra has been declared. And Biafra declared, you need to also behave like somebody that is under government. You need to understand that what are we actually looking for? What is that thing that you want? Freedom, right? You want freedom, and for you to be a country of your own, you need recognition. Mention one country in this world that don't have that government. Put body like government. Everything about you is just struggling. You are struggling. You don't have structure. You don't have basis. You don't have a leader. You are just fighting. You don't fight just for fighting sake. No. You know. Okay, as you go to get an away now, it's okay. Stop. It's okay. What is the problem? Okay. Sit down. Let's talk. Where will you sit? The platform that you need to do that is government. And that government must be government that is up and doing. It should be government that when you are being called for international community to hear you, they need to see people that are talking to. If you had paid attention to this video, when he started, he said he's begging Donald Trump to hear us. International community, hear us. That's what Jeto said, right? For them to hear you, they're not going to hear you in the bush. You must have a government that will convey this your message to them. If you don't align with that government, how will you expect them to hear you? I'm not blaming soldiers, so I'm not blaming you. I just want to understand that Bosa can need important. Bosa can need for auto factor important. Nkobela, are you saying in my hand? Okay. Nkobela, na Kenuku, na Nkere Sotia, they are all important. Different sizes, you can see. Different sizes, they are all important. But what is not important is when they say, show me your hands, and somebody is somewhere showing his leg. The leg is not important at that point. What is important is the hands. Some of us are showing leg when you are supposed to show hand. Those ones, you need to identify them and put them, those also. So that by the time you want the entire community to hear your voice, there must be some people there listening to you that passed you this your message to the entire community. In as much as you claim you know everything, you know who is who, it's good. That's not bad. But as you know who is who, you need to also understand that people that are calling to hear you, they want to see how you are coordinated. As an army, it's supposed to be before you rear. You need to understand that your voice and your decision matters a lot. As an army, it is not advisable for you to be flip-flopping. Sit at home today. Oh, don't sit at home again. Oh, sit at home. Why all this? All of a sudden, things are no longer the way it's supposed to be. Because of few individuals. And coming up to tell us about this individual, that they are the right thing, they should donate money to them and all that, is not advisable. And I will tell you why. I don't know who did not go to Finland, let alone witnessing what Biafra witnessed in that. These are people that were afraid. So many of them. They gave a lot of excuses. They don't know what happened in Finland. Do they even bother to know? No. To them, as long as they're in him of affair, that is when the movement is okay. That is when people, in fact, that's what matters to them. Why are we sabotaging ourselves? Why are we dragging ourselves backward? My problem about it's not about it's not even about these voices coming from everywhere. I want freedom, you are free. I want freedom, I want freedom, I want freedom. It's about what is befalling our people, what is coming to our people. I said it before, I'm going to say it again. The quest to have your freedom now is a must than 1967. 1967, you had a choice not to even fight for freedom. Now is a must. You have to. Otherwise, they're not going to colonize you, they're going to Islamize you. Which is even, to colonize you is better. Like you have a colony, is better than Islamization. Islamization with a touch of colonization, that is the worst of it. So everything bad, the worst of it is pushing to hit you. It is a village, senseless politics. I'm not saying this to Biafra Liberation Army. I'm saying it to every of you, everybody, no matter who you are. It is time for you to understand that USB government is not Ngozi Orabueze's government. Okay? Yeah, I know you hate her because reason best not to let me not just the case. No matter what may be your reason, you are playing with the fire. It's not about her. You're not doing her a favor. It's not about her. It's about your well-being, your welfare. All of you that advise Biafra Liberation Army not to work with the USB government, you are not just a demon. You are worse than demon itself. I don't know the adjective to you to qualify you, to be honest with you, but it is very, 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 very hot to see people that you expect to know better yapping nonsense. Yesterday I played a video of the convention, and I believe most of you that watch the video, I believe you can that video will refresh your memory on what is going on. To understand that people who appear to be quiet in that convention are the one instigating this problem. In fact, like Koiki said talked about voodoo from Fulani. Voodoo can only work on an evil heart. If your minds are evil, if you are possessed with evil, envy, jealousy, and stupidity, of course, spirit of this kind of envy and demonic spirits for Fulani, of course, will hit you and you begin to mesmerize everything, begin to act abnormal. Anyway, please let me know what you think about all this, because I can go on and on to pour my mind, but I have to check the minutes of the video. All right, and hopefully we are going to come back again to complete it better, maybe on a live broadcast. Keep your eyes on that, and please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. What do you have to say about what Gentle said? And let us learn how not to hate them, but to be that. I'm not saying you should walk and follow sheepishly, but let's learn how not to hate them and just let them live their life the way they let them just do what they do, but hold government firm. I'm telling you. without the government, you are just PM said it. Without declaration, we are just playing around. That is what it is. I think I have that video of PM here. So I want you to listen to this because just pay attention.
But what are we going to gain from this convention?
Listen.
What we're going to gain is that every document that we're going to generate from this convention become legal document that we'll be using for the political approach and diplomatic approach for the Biafra independence and recognition. This document will be sent to the United Nations. This document will be sent to the U.S. Department of State, U.S. or every department that foreign department, the Congress and all that. We have it. European Union and every other region that we feel that needed to have it to support Biafra at the UN. That's where the whole thing is going to start. Only then, Biafra will have a name. Now, it is only noise we're making. And Nigeria have understood this very well. They know where I'm going.
Did you get that point? So, unless if you want to keep on making noise, if you just want noise, you're just making noise, then keep making noise. It doesn't matter. Listen, it doesn't matter your hatred on US government, your hatred on US. What matter? If you don't define where we are going, you will end up not going anywhere. Do you understand it? Some people are you are just cracking joke, making fun of yourself, making fool of yourself. Only when you generate those documents. How can you? Some people say, "Hey, we have already generated the document, but as long as Orabueze is in charge, that means that document should be destroyed." Then that means you still want to go and start making, you just want to keep on playing, like PM Blacklist said here. All right. In case you don't know, or maybe you missed that part, here it again.
Only then, Biafra will have a name. Now, it is only noise we're making.
It is only noise we are making. So I don't know what else you want me to tell you. I don't know what else you want to hear before you allow your brain to work. The more you are delaying it, you are wasting life for no reason. You have declared your freedom. You have declared it. Embrace it. Don't drag. I don't understand. Even if you hate COS, because of what is at stake, can't you just work together? If I'm to advise BLA, especially Gentle, try your best and contact DPM. Okay? Army is supposed to every army. In fact, for you to be army, for you to be seen and considered as an army, you must be under government. Whether military government, civilian government, it must be under government. Without it, anybody they can label you anything. I hope you know that. Please, I'm not gonna go for that. Let me just end it here. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to read your comments. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. I'm everything. No matter. Okay, I'm saying this not to everybody, not to Gentle. Okay, please don't say you're attacking Gentle. I'm not attacking Gentle. I'm saying it to especially those of you that are, because Gentle and the army, the Veteran Liberation Army, they are just a victim of stupidity of some of you. And they fall back to fall deeper and deeper, and stranded group of because we now have autopilot and stranded group. Some of them are stranded. I don't want to mention them, but you know yourself. All of you are the problem, not even army. Army are just symptom of your stupidity. Most of you deceive them, and they open their mouth and say they don't want to work with the USB declared. Come on. What do you want me to say?